grass is green and it's time to mow, but the mower's broken or running slow. There's just one person who can lend a hand. He's a lawnmower doctor and his name is Dan. This song's for Dan, Dr. Dan the lawnmower man. His work is super, some might say grand. He fixed this Toro, I'm a big-time fan of my friend Dan, Dr. Dan the lawnmower man. When Dan starts working, the problems fly. Air filter dirty, carburetor fried. He'll fix the issue, sharpen the blade. No part, no worry, he'll use eBay. This song's for Dan, Dr. Dan the lawnmower man. His work is super, some might say grand. He fixed this Toro, I'm a big-time fan of my friend Dan, Dr. Dan the lawnmower man. Dr. Dan the lawnmower